All of you know the One Foundation. You know the work we've been doing over the last so many years. And you know the work we've been doing as a family, especially with the focus on the women and girl child development. So we've built multiple schools, rescued girls from a lot of abused environment, rescued them from child prostitution, rescued them from being sold as child labor. We've affected more than 3,000 lives over the last 8-9 years and been able to save these girls, give them free food, free education, free healthcare. Until now, we haven't run any major project like this in Mumbai regarding the girl child, especially from areas like Kamatipura. So this is when we wanted to launch what we're doing tonight, Set Beautiful Free. It's an attempt to reach out to girls who are born to trafficked women, women who are sold into the flesh trade. And when they have daughters, those daughters are very vulnerable because you know what's going to happen when they're 7, 8, 9, when they're 10 years old, they're sold again. So it becomes like a second generation cycle. And there's no escape for these girls. So what we decided is that to reach out to such girls and pull them out of this kind of a situation, give them a place to stay. So the whole concept of tonight's event, Set Beautiful Free, comes from that. And our attempt is to build the One Center. The One Center will be a home which will provide shelter, education, food, healthcare, everything that a good home should provide the children, right? So it will be like they are our children. Of course, they will be allowed to, the mothers will be allowed to visit, the mothers will be allowed to interact with the children. So it's not like it's a complete cut-off. But at the same time, these girls are now secure. They're behind our secure walls. They're away from agents, dalals, pimps who are constantly looking to abuse or to sell these girls as commodities. It's pretty sad in India. Women and children are sold cheaper than animals. So you can buy a woman, or you can buy a child, a girl child, cheaper than you can buy a buffalo or a cow. Literally. It's that sad. So we want to make a change, and we want to start with home. We want to start with Mumbai. And it's been fantastic because we've got some incredible support. We've got a lot of patrons, a lot of power women who will be walking here tonight with rescued girls. So what you'll see once the event starts is that we have girls who are heroes, girls who have been rescued, from little ones to older ones, who've made something of their lives. They're an inspiration, an example that this is possible. Ye ho sakta hai. We can rescue these girls and give them a whole new life. And along with these girls, we have power women walking who are already women who've achieved a lot in life themselves. So we have Madhuri ma'am who's walking tonight. We have Shikha Sharma, the CMD of Axis Bank, a very well-known banker, very respected woman in her own trade. We have my mom, who is now almost 33 years social worker, who's dedicated her whole life to palliative care patients who are terminally ill in their final stages. We have Madam Neeta Ambani, who's walking for us tonight again. She's an educationist, a philanthropist, and the cause of the girl child is very, very close to her heart too. And we have our Olympian, Mary Com, who's been very kind. I mean, I really requested her. She's in the middle of training. She has to train for Rio and make India proud. But I said, I wouldn't have called you for a social event. This means so much and these kids will be so inspired. You must come. So she's come. She's traveled literally all the way just for one evening. She's going to attend this event and walk for us and then leave. And we also have Mrs. Amruta Fadnavis, the First Lady of Maharashtra, who's been extremely kind. I mean, I will be speaking about this at the dais and at the event also. But I just asked her once. I said, Bhavi, I want to do something like this. And she said, I want to help. And it's amazing because she's a banker. I mean, her background is that she's a banker, she's a mother. She's also somebody who's trying to make her own name and her own image. Very, very normal person. She flies economy class most of the time. She's very chilled out. When people meet her, they get surprised that this is the Chief Minister's wife. So she's been really wonderful and supported us all out. And we also have support yet again. I'd asked Ranbir Kapoor once. Sir, is he coming? Yeah. I'll just come on. I'd asked Ranbir Kapoor once to support our kids who were fighting cancer, and he came. And I asked him again this time around, and he was wonderful again. He immediately said, "This is a great cause," so he's coming. So it's going to be a great night, and we'll bring them in to have a chat with you guys here, and then we'll go for the event. Right? Thank you, guys.
Suggestion for this entire what do you suggest?
I think they're doing an amazing job, and it's not my expertise, but I think they are just doing a really amazing job, and we support them. Thank you.
Quicker than this. All right, guys. Please cooperate, guys. Come on. Anybody has any questions? Yes, please shoot.
Why did you choose only Kamatipura, not all across India or all across our nation? Kamatipura has been the place where you have picked up girls from.
Okay, so two things. One, we have been working in North India for more than 8 years. We've rescued more than 3,000 girls there, especially girls who've been pushed into child prostitution or trafficking, child labor, slavery, abused backgrounds. This is the first time that we're doing something in Mumbai, and Kamatipura is the center of it all, and that's what we felt needed the urgent attention to, and that's why this event, that's why Set Beautiful Free tonight.
And so what is the source of revenue for the organization or the NGOs?
NGOs all work on donations, so whether it's personal donations or donations from companies, corporates, CSR.
Okay. Ranbir, how you going to?
रणबीर, अपने आप में बहुत ही खास इनिशिएटिव है। जब हम बात करते हैं फीमेल्स की, लड़कियों की, बच्चियों की बात करते हैं, आप किस तरह से योगदान देंगे? और हमेशा, जहां तक मुझे पता है, आप हमेशा एक सोशल कॉज जब भी होता है आप उसका हिस्सा बनते हैं। हाउ यू वांट टू?
सबसे पहले मैं विवेक एंड प्रियंका को कांग्रेचुलेट करना चाहूँगा। आई थिंक दे हैव अ ग्रेट इंसेंटिव, बट दे हैव बेटर हार्ट्स। वो सालों से ये इनिशिएटिव के जरिए बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं। Today is the launch of the new foundation, Set Beautiful Free, and I would like to congratulate the Honorary Chief Minister, Mr. Fadnavis, and Mrs. Fadnavis, for inviting me here today. I think the things that these guys are doing, the initiative, the cause, I think it's something which is very inspiring. It should tug our hearts and invigorate our minds. We should be inspired by doing something. And it is not कि आपके अगल बगल कौन कर रहा है। अगर आप एक चीज़ कर सकते हो, if you can support, if you can empower one girl, I think that itself is such a big thing. So I'm here to support the cause. Whatever I can do, जो भी मैं कर सकता हूँ, not just in donating or not just in monetary purposes, but even in a sense of support, even in a sense of standing up for something. I think that's better than anything. And अगर आप भी करें, अगर आप खुद without looking left and right कि आप क्या करने वाले हो, आप क्या करने वाले हो, I think that's what will really make the world of a difference.
माधुरी मैम, आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा कितना बदलाव आएगा इस इनिशिएटिव से? क्योंकि हम जड़ की बात कर रहे हैं, हम रूट की बात कर रहे हैं, कि वो जो बच्चियां वहां से आएंगी और उनको एक नई जिंदगी मिलेगी, एक नया मकाम मिलेगा। कितनी सही शुरुआत मानती हैं आप? आपको लगता है कि ये कहीं ना कहीं जो गलत होता है बच्चों के साथ, उस पर एक लगाम लगी?
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल, ये तो हमारी चाह रहेगी। मैं विवेक ओबरॉय और अमृता फडणवीस जी को मैं कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करना चाहूँगी कि उन्होंने ये इनिशिएटिव शुरू किया है आज। मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि अगर चेंज लाना है तो आपको चेंज बनना पड़ेगा, आपको वो बदलाव बनना पड़ेगा, और बूंद बूंद से सागर बनता है। तो हर एक जिस भी प्रकार से हम कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकेंगे, उस प्रकार से जो क्रिएटिंग इज अ बिग थिंग इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। और मुझे लगता है लोगों तक ये मैसेज पहुंचाना कि हर लड़की के ड्रीम्स होते हैं, जैसे आपके होते हैं, इस ऑडियंस में जितने लोग हैं सबके ड्रीम्स हैं, वैसे हमारे इन बच्चियों के भी ड्रीम्स हैं, और उन्हें पूरा करने के लिए उनके पास साधन नहीं है, लेकिन उनको हमें वो साधन देना पड़ेगा, हमें वो सब कुछ करने पड़ेगा उनके लिए, क्योंकि इंडिया प्रोग्रेस कर रही है, तो ऐसे लोगों को हम पीछे नहीं छोड़ सकते, उनको भी अपने साथ आगे लेके बढ़ना पड़ेगा।
मैं आपसे जानना चाहूंगा, आप रियो के बीच में ट्रेनिंग चल रही थी, उसके बाद बावजूद आप यहाँ इसका हिस्सा हैं, आप किस तरह से सपोर्ट करना चाहेंगी, क्या सजेस्ट करना चाहेंगी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को, क्योंकि सीएम साहब भी इस पूरे इनिशिएटिव का हिस्सा है?
मैं सबसे पहले कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन देना चाहता हूँ सर एंड अमृता मैम को, ये इनिशिएटिव लेके इतना ग्रेट फ़ायदा उठा रहे हैं। ये एक्चुअली मैं एज ए लड़की हूँ प्लस मदर एंड एज अ बॉक्सर, मैं बहुत कुछ नहीं कर पाया, लेकिन ये इनिशिएटिव में बहुत उसका सपोर्ट करना चाहता हूँ अपना लड़की लोगों के लिए, स्पेशली जो अच्छा लड़की लोग मतलब गुड कोज को मैं बहुत सपोर्ट करना चाहता हूँ। इसलिए मैं ट्रेनिंग मेरा प्रिपरेशन चल रहा है, फिर भी मैं इसका कोर्स के लिए यहाँ में आया, मैं बहुत अच्छा लगा। मैं बहुत आगे में जो मैं भी क्या करना चाहता हूँ, क्या करवाना चाहते हैं, मैं आगे में करने के लिए तैयार हूँ। थैंक यू।
नीता मैम, माय क्वेश्चन इज फॉर यू, व्हाट्स योर एक्सपेक्टेशन फ्रॉम द स्टेट? कई बार ऐसा होता है जब हम ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकिंग की बात करते हैं, वो केस भी रजिस्टर नहीं होते हैं और फिर बाद में मीडिया के माध्यम से या किसी और माध्यम से पता चलती है कि कोई बच्ची को झारखंड से या यूपी के किसी कोने से पकड़ के लाया गया और यहाँ बेचा गया। स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से क्योंकि सीएम साहब इसका झारखंड से या यूपी के किसी कोने से पकड़ के लाया गया और यहाँ बेचा गया। स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से क्योंकि सीएम साहब इसका हिस्सा हैं, उनकी फर्स्ट लेडी इसका हिस्सा है, क्या सजेस्ट करना चाहेंगी स्टेट किस तरह से कदम उठाए कि सब रोका जा सके?